Hello everyone. Thursday brought sunny, dry and warm weather to just about all of South Africa, although in the west as the afternoon went on, thick cirrus cloud was pouring in from the Atlantic Ocean over this area. That was taking place ahead of an approaching cold front that's still quite far away at the moment. The only other parts of the country that saw significant cloud was over the far north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It was a cloudy start to Thursday over that area, but as the day went on, that cloud cover gradually thinned out. Heading into Friday, the cirrus cloud will continue spreading across South Africa, reaching the Free State, the northwest, Gauteng, as well as KwaZulu-Natal. While in the west, the cold front will make landfall around sunset. That's likely to bring some rain to the peninsula, but the front is weakening quite a bit, and we really don't expect too much rain out of that. Ahead of the frontal system, we're going to have thunder showers developing for some areas over the Cape provinces. Let's take a look at the Northern Cape first, where we see those thunderstorms extending down from Uppington all the way through to Carnarvon as well as De Aard. It's going to be a cooler day in the west. Springbok 16 degrees, Sutherland with a high of only 18. Late afternoon and evening light rain for Langebaan as well as Cape Town, but as you head inland over the Western Cape, we don't see any rainfall except towards the Karoo as well as towards the southern coastline, where there could be a few isolated thunder showers and similar conditions extending towards Graaff-Reinet and Port Elizabeth. A few thunder showers towards Port Alfred as well, but east of that we don't have any rain in the forecast. It's going to be a hot afternoon near the Eastern Cape coastline with berg winds pushing temperatures up over those areas. Warm to hot as well all across KwaZulu-Natal, with the cirrus cloud passing overhead for this province. And in Mpumalanga, it's going to be a warm day on the Highveld, but as you drop down the escarpment towards the Lowveld, temperatures will be rising into the 30s. A hot day once again for many parts of Limpopo, with sunny skies expected for just about all areas. And in the northwest, we'll also see some of that cirrus cloud in this area, and it's going to be a chilly start to the day for Vryburg with a minimum temperature of 4 degrees. Cold at first for many parts of the Free State, but warming up quickly into the mid to upper 20s towards afternoon. And finally for Gauteng, cirrus cloud moving overhead. Otherwise, it's going to be very much the same as it has been over the last few days. 24 for Johannesburg and a high of 26 in Pretoria. Winds picking up in the afternoon for the western interior, and while we will have moderate winds along the south coast at first, for Port Elizabeth you can expect strong winds towards evening. Saturday brings showers and thunderstorms to parts of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as a few drops of rain through the central interior, including Graaff-Reinet. And while many areas will be clearer, drier and warmer on Sunday, it's still going to be quite cloudy with some rain in KZN.